Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making spicy kofta masala. For this you need 50 grams of Bengal gram, 50 grams of green grams soaked overnight and grind it to fine paste. After making paste, add half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies, salt to taste and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix it well. In another pan, take sufficient oil to deep fry the koftas. Now deep fry the koftas in a small ball shape and deep fry till it golden brown. After making kofta, take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread all over the pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Cook till color change. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. And then add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Toss it. And then add half inch of grated ginger. Cook for a couple of seconds. Then add 1 medium size finely chopped onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Now lower the flame and add dry masala. Firstly add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well on low flame. Now add 4 tablespoons of curd. Cook it for 2 minutes continuously stirring. Now add 2 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Cook it for 2 minutes continuously stirring. Now add salt to taste. Now add koftas in the masala and cook it for half a minute, mixing well. Then add 200 ml of water, put gas on high flame and bring it to boil. Cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Uncover and see that your kofta absorb the gravy and kofta is soft. So your spicy kofta masala is ready to eat.